All right, we reached our final signature assignment. This is where we're going to put all of our skills together, starting from collection of the data, data analysis, and ultimately presentation and reflection on the data. Opposed to all other assignments, what I'd like you to do is use this assignment as a way to reflect on all of your experience in this class. I know we learned a lot, but it's time for us to bring it all together. So the first thing we're going to do is we're actually going to collect our own data. I'm asking you to think about your use of streaming services such as YouTube, Hulu, Amazon, Netflix, and any other that you're using, as well as your shopping habits, whether you purchase stuff on Amazon or eBay or H&L. All of those experiences I'd like you to keep track of for the period of 10 days. You will collect your personal individual data using an Excel spreadsheet that's provided in the class, and then you'll pull it all together in one document for the whole class. That will give you opportunity to collect enough data to do a good analysis of your personal habits. You'll also understand how your experiences using online tools affecting algorithm and how algorithm affecting your decision making in process of streaming services as well as shopping. Once you collect the data and make sure you provide all the details that's asking you in the Excel spreadsheet, and please be truthful. That's the most important part as you learn, to make sure the data is truthful to the best abilities we can collect. You will have to take a little bit of time to clean up the data because not everybody will be submitting data in the same format. I'm actually doing it on purpose because you will actually understand how not easy to be able to deal with data, and the ultimate product may contain mistakes because if the data is not cleaned properly, that's what you have to deal with. Once the data is collected, you will start your analysis. You'll look for patterns. You will utilize central tendency that we discussed in the very first module, and put together a few graphs and charts that will help you to kind of showcase what you're understanding from the data. Along this 3 weeks, you will also pull some sources that talk about big data and big data formation. In order for you to keep that information in mind, I'm asking you to create annotated bibliography, which is a way to provide sources with additional information that will keep you materials fresh in your mind if you come back to them after a while. Ultimately, you will utilize the data graphics, and the sources that you received in a reflective piece. It's not quite a paper, it's not quite a presentation, but it's a way for you to reflect on your understanding of what you learned this module and how the data is being utilized in the current world. The outcome should be maybe 2 to 3 pages if you're counting pages, but mostly I'm looking for your deep analysis and thoughtful understanding of how data is being put together and how big data influences our decision making. I'm looking forward to your reflections and your questions if you have any. Good luck.